Autumn is my favorite season. I love the mild weather in autumn, with a faint coolness and warm sunshine, especially at sunset. I love the subtle hues of autumn, especially the fiery red and golden yellow. It's different from previous.
Okay, y'all, so we are going to go and get our step count goal. We need our sunnies, okay? So I'm gonna take you guys with me, and we are gonna go get our step count goal in. It's also like window browsing. Seeing pretty things inspires me in a creative, artistic way, especially when it comes to content creation, and I need to see pretty things. I'm a visual person, and so visually seeing things really helps me. Hobby Lobby had these beautiful antique vintage style plates, bowls, and mugs, and I think these are really pretty. I like a good base, a good antique kind of vintage style, mixed in with a little bit of farmhouse, but not extreme farmhouse, with a little bit of modern touch. So depending on your style, there's different plates and sets for you. Also, these cups, they're a little bit taller, so if you like iced coffee, these are perfect. And they're also a little bit thicker glass, so we know they're not going to chip as easily. I bought one of these with the leaves on it from World Market for a more expensive price, so I definitely suggest this one. These do not recommend. The design will chip and fade over time, looking blotchy, and it's not a good time, okay? These blankets, I suggest waiting for a price drop clearance. Kirkland's and other places have the same style of blankets. I bought that orange and green plaid one a few years back for $12, so I suggest waiting for that price drop. I'm actually really excited for this one because I need the motivation, okay? I need the inspiration, and this is gonna help me not only prepare for the cozy fall vibes we're going for, but also just get my house clean, get my house in order, and we can get our house in order together. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Comments where you guys are from, where are you watching. I think it's really cool how we can all connect from all over. Also, if you're wondering where I got these cups, they are fall themed. I got them from TJ Maxx. It is a 12-piece for $5. So you can just make your coffee at home, take it to go. For the kitchen, I wanted to keep it minimal yet functional, and also just bring that warmth and touch of fall without it being overwhelming, especially on the counters. And my island is this green, and I wanted to tie in these soft, almost pastel-like colors. And the pillow picture you saw is from my living room decor video that I did first. So if you haven't checked out the video, go check that out. That's part 1. And so I wanted to tie this open space together. As I mentioned before, I do have an open space concept layout, and so I want to tie it in with the living room. I still want to keep the integrity of my color palette, which can be a little tricky when you're decorating for seasonal items. Like when you think of Christmas, you think, a lot of reds and blues, and so same thing with fall. You think of the changing leaves, right, of autumn, as those burgundies and the bright orange, and so I really want to tone it down a little bit and still keep the integrity of my color palette, which is actually a lot of greens and softer pastels. I want a softer orange, not so intensely, so I want that warm wood, and so I'm adding a lot of wooden trays, cleaning my cake stand so that I can bake more, so hopefully I can improve on my baking skills. We're continuing to work on it. But yeah, I just want to keep it minimal and functional since I'm always cooking in here. I'm always meal prepping. The kitchen is well loved. I didn't know which bouquet was gonna go here, and so I'm glad I found this one in my storage. I forgot I had this one. This one's from Dollar Tree from a few years back, and it goes perfect. And then this was a gift. It's a stove cover. It is double-sided. However, I just thought it was too much going on. Again, I want to walk in here and it feel more minimal, and so I loved the lighter plain side. Let me know what you think in the comments which side I should go with.